Hi, welcome back to Histransform. In this video, we're going to quickly discuss how China is set to overtake the US in semiconductor technology. It's no secret that Huawei has just released a new phone called the Pura 70 Ultra. This is their latest smartphone, featuring a chip that's slightly different from the Mate 60 Pro. This phone shouldn't exist due to the US sanctions, but Huawei has managed to create it. We'll dive into how they achieved this in today's video. So let's get started. Our detailed Teardown report reveals that the Pura 70 Ultra symbolizes China's growing self-sufficiency. Last year, Huawei released the Mate 60, which surprised industry experts by including a 7nm chip that wasn't supposed to exist, along with many components made in China. The Pura 70 Ultra goes even further, incorporating even more parts from Chinese companies and relying less on foreign suppliers compared to the Mate 60. The Teardown analysis was conducted by iFixit and TechSearch International and published by Reuters. They provide an extensive part-by-part breakdown. The Pura 70 Ultra uses a slightly more advanced version of the Kirin 9000S chip from SMIC, which is about 9% faster in memory chips. Both the Pura 70 Ultra and the Mate 60 use SK Hynix for RAM, but the Pura 70 Ultra's flash memory comes from Huawei's subsidiary, Histransform, while the Mate 60 used SK Hynix for its entire flash system. The Pura 70 Ultra offers 1 TB of storage, a capacity typically found in laptops, and this variant is currently only available in Chinese stores. The memory controller for the chip is likely from Huawei, and the wafers appear to be made by a domestic Chinese supplier. TechSearch noted that the foreign chip makers didn't recognize the NAND dies, indicating they are newly made in China. Other significant components now made in China include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and power management systems. It was surprising to find that the battery charger is from Taiwan and sensors from Bosch, a German company, especially since China already has top suppliers for these components. This raises questions about why Huawei chose to use foreign manufacturers for these parts instead. Despite the semiconductor sanctions, Huawei has managed to release 2 smartphones, the Mate 60 and the Pura 70 Ultra, just months apart. These devices, priced around $1,300, showcase Huawei's ability to not only develop high-speed chips, but also integrate numerous other components domestically. In summary, Huawei's Pura 70 Ultra and Mate 60 highlight China's advancements in semiconductor technology and self-reliance in the face of international sanctions. This shift towards domestic production is significant, indicating a strategic move by China to reduce its dependency on foreign technology and suppliers. If you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content.